Hello and good evening and welcome to all. It's absolutely imperative for us to join the Tech Talk Saturday. And I promise that I'm Monica Joshi from Satpal Mitra School going to make this half an hour worthwhile for all of you. So to begin with, we are here to learn today making our e-portfolios through WordPress or Google Sites. I hope you all must have taken your tea, coffee along with you. So here I begin with first the making word portfolios through WordPress. So what is portfolio like? Portfolio is keeping your stuff online, like you all are teachers here. You can keep your course content, your innovations, the things which you want to share with your children, with your teachers, all those things you can compile and keep in the form of a website or you can share it with your children so that they can use it for the longer run. So here begin with the WordPress first and then I'll move on to Google Sites. For creating a portfolio for a website on WordPress, you have to have a login on wordpress.com and you click here on Get Started and create your account, as I am already having my one. So that is by the name thetravelspace.wordpress.com. So I created it. As you all know, I am a travel freak person and I created it by that name only. So the first thing when you come and log into WordPress is clicking on My Site and click on the first and foremost thing when you create a site is to how your site gonna look like. So you have to click on Themes. So you click on Themes and you're gonna get all these different types of themes, and as you all will be beginners, so I suggest you to take these simple ones, and I have taken this Radcliffe 2. You can click here and select. There are many other themes as well. You can select any. So firstly, for learning, take the beginners one. So I'll click here on Radcliffe theme and the page will come like this. Okay, so when we are making a page, the first thing is what will be the name of your page. So for that we have to click on Site Identity. Site identity is what will be the site title, what will be the tagline, all those things you can write here. Like I have written the T Travel Space and the tagline is Come Explore the World in My Way. And you can select the logo as well if you want it to be displayed on somewhere on the top space. You can select here, and then you can select the site icon as well. You can select the image, and the photo credit I have selected as default, or otherwise you can select any photo from here. So let it be default for some time. And next comes what will be the color combinations of your site. So for that you have to click on Colors and Background. Select any type of color. Like I have selected this light gray color. You can select any of the color as suitable to you. In fact, if you want, you can select any image which you want to be displayed on the background of the site. You can select any image from here by clicking on selecting image and uploading it here. Next comes what will be the text emphasis of your site. So for that you have to click on fonts, and like I have selected for headings a Fodamento font, and for the base font I have selected Libre Baskerville. So you can select any type of font from here, and then you can from here you can see how your site will look like on the desktop, on the tab, and on the mobile. So if you want, you can hide these controls as well. Next comes what do you want to write in your content page. You can click on content info. You can write your address here, where you want it to come in the header or in the footer, that you can select. You can write down your phone number here. So as I have written nothing here, you can write here. Next comes your menus, let it be like this only. And then comes, okay, content options is done, and featured prompt, and then menus. Okay, so all the things are done. So now comes the main question, how to put a post on your page. So what you have to do, you have to click here on add. This page opens up, so you can write here the post, suppose like this will be the title, and here you can add the text, what was all about. So I'll just type here 2 lines to just show it to you. You can add any image here, any media here, any photo from the library, contact info, anything, whatever you want. You can give it the bold italic styles, you can add the bullet lists in points if you want, you can add a hyperlink, you can set up the alignments, the proofreading, the inset read moding, anything you want, you can add it here. Then later on you can add and select here, select set featured image. What image will be selected for this page? So right now I am having here this in my gallery, or if you want you can add it from here, from your computer you can add it. So I'll just, alright, I'll simply select any of the image from here. Okay, so let's say I add this image. Okay, all right, so let's say I add this image. Okay, so we'll just select set featured image. Once the image is set, you have to click on publish twice so that this page should be published. Click once publish, once green button has come, then click on publish again, and soon this processing part will get over. Okay, now this page is published. Okay, so now I'll tell you how we have to come to see how our website looks like. So all we have to do is, this is the URL of your website. You have to just copy, click and paste it as an address. And okay, so like as I told you that in my settings I have kept whatever is my last post, that comes first. Okay, so this is the first one, the one which I have put right now. This is the second, this is the third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. So, and if these are my recent posts, and if I click here, it will jump automatically to that page. So if I click here, I'll jump to that page automatically. You don't have to do anything. All the things are managed by WordPress. So same way you can create the page for your keeping your contents, keeping your experiences, keeping your innovations. So it doesn't take much time to grab the data from that. And if you want, you can share your page on all these social networking sites. If you want, you can save that. And you can, if you want, you can change all these published by the travel space, that if you don't want all these things should come, you can go in the settings of the footers and you can change it there. So I hope the WordPress part is clear to you. It is a very powerful and very easy tool for all you teachers to keep your stuff online, where you all are doing so much in your classes, you all are keeping so much content in your classes. I mean, like, you are using it, you can keep this stuff there and you can show it to your children, you can share your assignments with them and with the world. So that's a very powerful content, I must say that. And I'm sure after this session, all of you are going to use it constructively, and I'll be getting within a week or a few days the website addresses from many of you that you have created your own content. So I hope the WordPress part is clear. Thumbs up if the WordPress part is clear to all of you. Yeah, exactly. I like that. Okay, we next move on to creating portfolio through the Google Sites. So for that, the address is sites.google.com. So all you have to go there and click on create a new site. Like I have created one already to show it to you, but besides that, I'll be explaining how to create a site. So just click on create and create a new site. So when your site opens up, it looks like this. Here you can give your page title, your site's name, and then step by step we'll move on. So here your page title, like I have given the page title as health and nutrition, so you can give that. Okay, I'll just be copying it to save time. Copy, and you can come here on themes. So here you can decide the background color, you can choose any, and you can give the any style. So I have given it a diplomat style and just drag it a little like this, and you can add a background image from here and select the image. You can upload it from your computer, or you can take it from your gallery, or you can search it online. So like it was health, related health, so I typed here health, search, and I ticked this one and select. So this button is adjust for readability. If you click here, it's gonna bright and dim it so that the readability of your text can be improved. Okay, so it looks like this. Next is you can add a site name here, like I have added here health and nutrition, and you can add a logo to your website as well. So you can copy it and paste it here, and you can add a logo by uploading it from your computer, or if you are having it already some pictures in your drive, you can search from there and you can select any image and upload it here. Okay, so this was setting up the title, and you see how your site looks like. You can click on the preview button. So when you share, your site will look like this. This is the mobile view, the tablet view, and the desktop view, the larger screen view. So we're closing it. Next is how to add few links in your site. So for that, firstly, say we just find out, say it's a health site. We will put up here healthy lifestyle tips for teachers. So you can go, okay, say okay, you can just, okay, suppose you found this, you can copy this URL, okay, and you'll come here, you'll click here, embed, paste that URL, it will process. It's just taking time to process. I'll just show you how it will look like. It's gonna look like this once you have clicked on insert. It's taking a little time. Okay, so it's done, and the moment it's done, you can click on insert and it's gonna insert like this. So I have inserted a separate tip here. So, and then you want a text box below this, so you can insert a text box. You can write here some healthy tips. You can give it heading, make it alignment center, and then if you want, you can keep it below that link. You can drag and keep it here. So it's gonna look like this. Click on preview and it's gonna look like this. So same way, if you click on preview, it looks like this. So because here I have added a separate thing, and you can add a picture as well here. Suppose you want to add a picture in this section, so you can add image, click on search, healthy lifestyle, or anything, benefits of health. So you can just select any picture and click and select and click on insert, the way I have inserted the picture here. And same like that, I have written a text here, tips to healthy style. Next comes if we have to add a new page in our website. So you click on page, click here insert new page. Suppose I have inserted a page here by the name fitness. So you can click and select the page fitness. And the moment you add a new page, it will have the same style, the one which your home page was having. You don't have to do anything. It will have its own style, the way your home page is having. Now you want to insert videos here. So you can find few videos from YouTube, going in YouTube. Go there. You can find here healthy, nutritious lifestyle videos. Okay, suppose this is the one. You just play this video, copy its URL, and come back to your fitness page. Go to insert, embed, click on paste and insert. And you want to bring the video in center, bring it like this in center, and the background of this area, you want some image, you can click here, you can give the emphasis, you can give the background image as well, like I have given here. You can see I have given an image background here. You can select that as well. and then you can give a text title to this. So simply click on text box, healthy lifestyle, give it style heading, center, and put it below there, and this video is inserted. Next, you want to insert a about page. So same way again I have inserted a about page. In the about page, I have inserted the address, the contact details, and the map. So how we are going to do that? So I'll just insert a new page. We can write here about, done, and how to insert a map. So here you can add a text box where you can write. So you can insert a text box here where you can write the details. You can change the background area of the text, and then you can insert the map. From here you can click and select the location of your area, like I suppose and you can select and insert. So, and you can expand the size of the map. Again, you can give the emphasis, you can select the image, whatever ways you want you can select, and then done. Next, going back to our pages. Okay, in the home page, suppose we want to insert our document. Okay, I'll be going here in the home page. Suppose I want some document related to my website to be inserted. So how to do that? All you have to do is make a document in your Google Docs, and then you can click on insert from your Google Drive. Okay. Recent, click on recent. So this is my Google Doc related to daily tips. You can select and click on insert. So that will come below here. Okay. Okay, so I was talking about how we can insert the document pages here. So here I am on the fitness page. So I'll click on insert, and I can take the documents, the Google document. You can create it in your drive, from your drive. You can insert it. So I'll be clicking on my recent document. So here is my document which I have created related to the daily healthy tips. I have applied few of the formatting effects on that. Same way, if you want, you can apply the image on this background, and this way it will be inserted, and if you will view it, the page is going to look like this. So here is your video, and below that your document part is coming. So this way you can insert your assignments in your document. Okay, so next is you want to have your feedback form on your page. So you have seen the websites are having the feedback pages, so you can have a feedback form as well. For that, what you have to do, you can select a page on where you have to have a feedback. So I have created a feedback form in Google Form, or you can use it using your normal questionnaire as well. So that also you have to insert from the drive and from recent. So here was this is my feedback form. So you can click and you can insert here. So the place you can decide, you can put it in the center, you can increase the size of it and the background the way I have shown it in the above steps as well. So you can see here, this is my first page. I have inserted a feedback form here. So I'll now show you how my site looks like. So this is the first page where I have added the tips. So if I click here, it will jump to that URL because I have added a link here. We have embedded a URL here. And this I have added as a picture. This is my feedback form where I have added a form. Do you like your website? And do you have any suggestions? And this way we can grab the feedbacks about that. And then here we'll go to the fitness page. On the fitness page, I have added 2 videos. If I'll click on this, okay, before that I have added that Google Docs. There's tips related to the healthy tips. And if I'll click here, this video gonna play here itself. And I have added an image at the back of this link. And then here I have added nutrition and health value video, so that is also added here. And next is your about page where I have written the contact details and the map of the school. So this was all about Google site. That's very simple. And last and foremost step, that is to publish the site. Once you have made the site, you have to publish it. And you can keep on doing the additions besides. Once you publish it, I mean, like, it is public, people can see it. You can write here what address you want to give, and that will be, suppose like I want to give this healthy tips. I want to give this address. So the site's address is, so it's already taken, it's gonna give you suggestions. So you can write here what name you want to give. So the address will be https sites.google.com view and then the name of the site. And once you have selected, you can click on publish. And then you can add the collaborators as well whom you want to give the rights to this site. Suppose there are two or more group of teachers who are working on one of the sites. You can invite people and you can give them rights from here so that they can also do the editing, and they are also the collaborators to add pages, to add content to this site. So that can also be done. So this was all about the Google site. Before that I explained WordPress, and I'm sure all of you are aware about how to create it. Now the turn comes of the task. Okay, so the task for today's Tech Talk is, okay, all you have to create a WordPress or a Google site, insert a home page, another page, feedback page, and feedback and an about page. Publish it and send the link to me at my official ID. And so yes, I was talking about a very powerful education community, that is educationmicrosoft.com. This is the URL which you can type, and many of you are member of this community and many of you are MIE in the past days. Many of you have joined it, and those who have not yet, they can join in by clicking on join in. And when you click on join in, this portal comes up. You can join it by clicking on the Microsoft ID and entering your school ID and password, and become an MIE, that is Microsoft Innovative Educator, by just doing 2 courses. This is my portal, which it looks like when you log in. You can simply come here, click on courses and start learning many courses available here. And the other advantage is to get connected with many other educators all over the world. There are many courses over here which are very, very beneficial for the upcoming latent pedagogy. You can learn it, and as these days ICT is very, very much necessary in the pedagogy skills, and Microsoft has taken latest steps to improve that. And you can see, I'll just show you my development. All of you can reach till this far, and this is my portal looks like, and these are my achievements, the number of courses and batches which I have done. You start from 2 courses, B and MI, and just reach this far level by joining this portal. And it's not about earning these certificates and batches, it's all about learning and be connected with the latest courses as well. It's all about that, not about all about winning. But yes, it also gives a kick. Winning always gives a kick to learn more. It empowers you and enthusiasms you to learn more. And then till then, to complete the task list, who all will be completing it, they'll be winning the exciting gifts for the winners, and those will be sending the fastest fingers first will also be getting the certificates. And the last day to send your Google Sites and WordPress address is the next Tech Talk. I'm giving you a month to complete it. And thank you very, very much to spare your valuable time to attend this talk. Till then, this is Monica Joshi signing off. Bye-bye, and hear you and hear me the next talk, the next second Saturday of the month of February. Till then, bye-bye, and good day, and a very, very happy Lori to all of you. Bye-bye.